it's Miss Jen and my friend the mouth, and today we're going to be talking about your S sound. To write the S sound, you might use the letter S or the letter C. To make a good S sound, you got to think about locking your tongue behind your teeth. Don't let it come through, and push up against the back of your teeth right here. This is where you're going to want to push. Keep it locked behind those teeth. Do it with me. S. If your tongue tip comes in between your teeth like this, you're going to have a sneaky th sound. Instead of saying the word some, you're going to say the word thumb. What do we do with sneaky th? We got to take it and we got to throw it away. To practice your sound, we're going to walk the whole mountain. We're going to start off in isolation, doing your sound by itself. Then we're going to move to syllables. Next, we'll do words. And last, we'll use your sound in sentences. It's your job to try and think about using a good sound all the time when you're talking to your family or friends or while you're reading a book out loud. Some of you might start out stuck at the very top of the mountain up here, and that's okay. Our goal is to practice hard so that you can get off the mountain so you're not stuck anymore. We're going to practice at the syllable level now. We're going to practice our S sound with long vowels and short vowels. I'm going to start here and go out, and you're going to do it right after me. Here we go. Say, sa, see, se, sigh, si, so, saw, sew, sa. All right, now we're going to go backwards. Ace, ass, east, s, ice, is, os, os, use, us. Now we're going to practice your sound at the word level. You're going to see some pictures go by, and as they go by, I want you to say the word out loud. If you don't know one of the words, feel free to pause the video and ask somebody in your house for help. Make sure to use your sound super clearly. Don't let any sneaky sounds in there. You just practiced using your sound in the word level. Now we're going to move down to the sentence level. You're going to see some pictures with your sound in it. I want you to make me one sentence for each picture that you see. If you need to pause the video so you can make a great sentence, pause the video, and then return to the next picture.